what that means.
No, now we're getting out of the subdivision.
Now we're getting out of our subdivision. I don't know how to say it.
You can see the Carino Highway.
You can see the Carino Highway
And the Metro Bank on the
and the
right.
Metro Bank on the right.
Again.
Used to be.
Now that's Carino Highway.
Now that's the Carino Highway.
And from the right,
And from the right, that's Metro Bank.
babasahin na ito mamaya. Pag nakita mo yung 7-Eleven. Can you see the McDonald's? Laksan mo.
Can you see the McDonald's? Right over there, Runyon Street. And mine is the bridge has that Christmas tree. It's not Christmas anymore. It's not December. It's not Christmas.
Sabi mo, if you see 7-Eleven, then we need to turn right.
If we see
Laksan mo ate.
7-Eleven, we have to turn right.
And we need to cross JP Ramoy Street.
We need to cross down.
JP, we need to cross
We need to cross JP Ramoy Street. We need to turn right to Road 10. And
But that's the 7-Eleven I'm talking about. Laksan mo ate.
that's the 7-Eleven that I'm talking about over there.
Okay, we need to turn right.
We need to turn right.
Louder ate.
We need to turn right. Right. Car, you can please go forward. We're going to fly into you. And here's our Palenque. Very close. Where now just a second. Just walk here. And there's a school. There's just school on the right. Well, now laundry on left. Then the clinic is on New Island. It's on the left too.
Kasi ate, if you see the arc, that's it means that we are on the border of Caloocan.
Board of, if you see that arc, we're in the board of Caloocan.
Caloocan. Louder ate ha. Sabihin mo, basahin mo yun. From JP Ramoy Street, we need to turn right to Road 10. Oh, bilis. From JP Ramoy.
From JP Ramoy Street, we need to turn right the DSI Hills Subdivision main gate.
Don't forget to say hi to the guard.
Don't forget to say hi to the guard, but I don't think there's any guards today.
Yeah, that's JSI is. This is the main gate.
Main gate. And there's no guard. No guard. No guard.
From road 10,
No.
taksan mo from road 10, we need to
From road 10 we need to turn left to road 8.
well, this is road 8.
This is road 8.
Laksan mo, ate.
This is road 8. I'm about to turn 8.
Because you will see
And on your left side there is Mighty Park.
ayan. Ayan. Bilis. From your left.
And from your left,
You will
from your left,
Ate, bilisan mo. From
there
your left.
you can already see my school building.
Sabi mo muna yung Mighty Mark.
I did this.
Ayan, nasabi mo, laksan mo. From your, ito na yung school mo, bilisan mo. And there, you can turn right. Laksan mo.
There you can turn right.
Oh, ang tagal. Nasa school na tayo.
There you can turn right. There you can turn right. You can already see my school building. From road 8, we need to turn right, and there you go.
Laksan mo, ate. Babasa na lang eh.
From road 8, we need to turn right, and there you go. My school, St. Raphael Mary School. That's it. I hope you enjoy our school
Babasahin mo
trip.
pa yan? Oo. Ayan, pakita mo yung school mo. That's the gate of our school.
That is the gate of our school.
Ayusin mo naman yung kuha.
That's the gate of our school.
Daddy, buksan mo nga.
Open the window.
Ayan. Oh, that's the main gate of our school.
Main gate of the school. That's our main gate to our school.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ayusin mo yung pag-goodbye mo.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoy.
I hope you enjoy.